Hello and welcome to Unlock English with Hannah, your place to learn real everyday English. Obviously, one of the most important things you need to do in a language is to introduce yourself. You've probably heard of the classic, how do you do? Unfortunately, that is a bit old-fashioned now and not many people use how do you do. So, in this video, I'm going to go over 20 different ways to introduce yourself. We're going to think about some casual introductions, friendly introductions, and of course consider more formal or professional environments as well. So no matter the circumstance, no matter who you're meeting, you will be able to adapt your introduction to fit each circumstance. Are you ready? Let's go. Let's start with casual, everyday introductions. Hey, I'm Hannah. Classic, simple, perfect for most situations. Hey, I'm Helen. Friendly and relaxed. Hey, I'm Meg. Nice to meet you. The nice to meet you adds a polite touch. Great when you are meeting someone new. I'm Rachel, by the way. I'm changing names because if I say Hannah over and over again, Oh, I'm Rachel, by the way. This is usually said after you have already started chatting with someone, but they don't know your name yet. So you start your conversation and then at a natural point you say, oh, I'm Rachel, by the way. I don't think we've met. I'm Becky. Great for parties or networking events when you don't know many people. Everyone calls me Liz. This is useful if you go by something other than your full name. For example, if someone's name is Elizabeth, they could say, everyone calls me Liz, or I go by Liz. This one is also useful if your name is difficult for people to pronounce in the country where you are. I had a Hungarian friend who did just this. People couldn't pronounce her Hungarian name very well, so she would say, I go by Liz. We haven't met, have we? I'm Frances. This is a soft, friendly way to start a conversation, and it sounds quite confident too. We haven't met, have we? Hey, I'm Katie. I don't think we've been introduced. Again, this is great in a group setting where there are lots of people who know each other, but you don't know anyone. Oh, sorry, I'm Nancy. Again, when you forget to introduce yourself, this is polite and friendly and comes at a natural midpoint. Oh, sorry, I'm Nancy, by the way. Let's move on to context-specific or slightly humorous introductions. I'm Beth, the new one. This is perfect if you're the new one at a new job or at school or university. First day nerves. I'm Catherine. This adds a human touch and breaks the ice instantly. I guess I should introduce myself. I'm Lucy. This is very natural and slightly playful. Who might you be? I'm Susan. That's a cheeky way to flip the script, and it's great if you're confident. I wouldn't use it in a professional setting though. You must be wondering who I am. I'm Susan. Light humour can work well in relaxed situations. But let's move on to more formal or professional situations. Hello, my name is Jane Smith. It's a pleasure to meet you. Classic and professional. Use this one for job interviews or business meetings. Hello, I'm full name. It's a pleasure to meet you. I'm Phoebe Sunshine, Executive Assistant to the CEO. This sounds confident and clear, and it's great if you are leading a meeting. Good morning. I'm Olivia Fresh from Soap & Company. I'm name from company and department. You can use this when joining work calls or meeting new clients. Allow me to introduce myself. I'm Mary Wise and I am CEO of the company. Great if you are presenting or giving a speech. And finally, because this is relevant too, let's talk about online interactions. For social media, let's say if you are a content creator as well. Hello, I'm Christina. Welcome to my channel. And finally, I use this one when meeting someone over email. It's nice to meet you. Hi, I'm Hannah. It's nice to meet you, because it's acknowledging that you're not meeting someone face to face or even over the phone, you're meeting them over an email. So it's nice to meet you. Oh, also, if you then meet someone when you've only spoken on the phone or written to each other, you can say, oh, it's nice to put a face to the name, because obviously you just know them as a name. Or it's nice to put a face to the voice. So there they were, 20 different ways of introducing yourself in lots of different scenarios. So whether you are meeting someone in a casual setting or a professional setting, now you should feel more prepared. Take a moment, please. I would like you to introduce yourself to me using one of these ways. Off you go. Oh, it's nice to meet you too. Let me know, are there any other ways you like to introduce yourself in English? Let me know in the comments. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and please look out for some of my other videos. You might be interested in this one where I go over 25 daily English expressions that we use. I'll see you in the next one. Take care.